If you own an LLC, I greatly encourage you to think about it this way. You didn't just file a document, but you created a separate legal entity, and the law will only respect that separation if you do. And so what do I mean by that? What does this require in practice? And first and foremost, your money in and out of the LLC has to be clean. So all revenue goes in to the business account, and then all expenses come out of that account. There's no mixing, there's no shortcuts. And then if you take money out, so you take a personal draw, that's a distribution, and it should be intentional and it should be recorded as such. And then second, you got to slow down when you sign things. So signing contracts, ask yourself, who is the party in this contract? And if it's the LLC, then the company's name needs to be on that agreement, and your signature needs to reflect that. So you're signing on behalf of the company as Jake Dippold, manager of X LLC, and not signing personally. And then consistency, that's very important. Your invoices, your payments, your communications, they all need to reinforce that the business exists as its own separate entity and not you personally, but the company is its own entity. Because here's the reality. If something were to go wrong, a court is going to look at your behavior. A court is not going to look at your good intentions. And so they're going to ask, did this person actually operate a separate business, or was this just an extension of themselves? Because most people don't lose protection because they formed the LLC wrong on the front half. They lose it because they got casual with how they operated the LLC. And so the rule is simple. The LLC works if you treat it like a separate entity.